dahil you guys have our back, nalilito na ako. Kasi you guys have our back, so, you have a back.
Si Stacy nag-microwave ng cheese. Nilagyan niya ng foil. Umuso. Nagkaapoy yung microwave. Hindi naman. As in, nagkaapoy. Gulat na gulat kami lahat.
She's the princess talaga.
Yep.
Flashback.
Uy, shucks. Patayin mo. Ilabas mo. Oh my God.
Do not microwave the papers.
Oh my God, that's true. Wait. Umapoy yung foil na papel. Ay, siya.
It's not microwavable.
The foil. Yeah, that's Uy, umamoy talaga yan. It's foil malay. Ang baho. Hindi ko napansin. Ang sunog.
Tunawin mo? Naisip na naman ako dito sa ito.
Hala, nakalive pala si Ate Connie. Okay lang, hindi nakita yung pala.
Oh my God.
Nag-uhugit na. Parang gustong kumuha nung
I panic po. I was just gonna
melt.
What?
Nilagay mo sa
Pan na lang. Ito, it's not, baka dito, hindi siya for...
Nagkagulo lahat.
Hindi ko na, pero ang layo niya. Paano mahaba? Manaw, ayoko hindi talaga pwede mag-isa, guys.
Buti alam mo, Ben.
Ano ko, princess?
Yung princess namin, kailangan ng prince. Diary of a Princess.
No, I have to get that.
Wait.
Because I wanna be a cat, you can meow. If you're a tiger, you can roar. Roar? Yeah, meow but bigger. Why do you... Bakit gusto mo mag-meow? I wanna meow so that I can contribute to the world. When you meow kasi, it means yung predicate, it can go into pandiwa.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
And the subject
Gusto mo yung i-round off sa numerator? Sobrang laking tulong if you can meow. Like, even Ate Janice, she can smile if I can meow. Like, the worms here in our house, the ipis, they can substitute. They can melt into a mountain. And the gas, solid and medium, is equals to y-axis. Oh, this is a bus. So when you meow, you can, and then when you twist it,
and then you transpose it, right?
Yung tiger kasi na-transpose siya into one. Tsaka na sa in the middle, in the power of 8, diba? Sabi na in the power of 8, you can rank it.
What is the final answer?
Meow.
Okay, very good.
Okay.
If she wants to be a cat, I want to be a dog because I want to...
8. This is my question for you for tonight. Kung magiging animal ka.
Animal.
Okay. What animal would you be and why? Sorry, management. Oh my.
Maliban sa cat.
Maliban sa cat and dog.
Kasi already na yun.
No!
Leopard. Feeling ko, magiging lion. Because, and I really love that movie.
Lion and
you know
Tiger.
that movie? The Lion King. Wait, get other mic.
Dapat bird ka
Let's
kasi
talk
pilot
sila, no?
nga dream
You
mo,
know the
diba?
movie Lion King?
Yeah,
I really like the Lion King movie.
Wait. Ano
Yeah.
kasi? We go tambay kasi sa mall with my friends kasi before when I'm at the
What,
university.
have you watched the Lion King 3D
Oh,
3D version?
I haven't.
I watched that in the cinema.
Yeah.
I forgot. I forgot the mall.
Hi? Tapos magiging friends tayo. Lagi tayong mag-uusap mula umaga hanggang madaling araw. Tapos magiging close tayo. Sa sobrang close natin, mahuhulog na tayo sa isa't isa. Tapos liligawan mo ko. Tapos sasagutin naman kita. Tapos papanuhin natin yung mga pangarap natin sa isa't isa. Tapos may makita ang iba. Iiwanan mo na ako. Tapos maghahabol ako sa'yo kasi mahal kita. Pero wala kang gagawin. Hahayaan mo lang akong umiiyak while begging you to stay. Kaya wag na. Thanks na lang sa hi mo. By the way, hello.
Let's do this. Magandang laban to. Maloy.
Miki, handa ka lang
Magandang laban. Kung dahilan ng pagtirik ng sasakyan sa daan.
Aha.
Baha!
Tama yan!
Boys, tingin nyo, baha.
Ba't ka dadaan doon baka nga, di ba?
Tama naman. Paano kung Paano kung na fake news? Akala.
I must do and I want to talk to you.
Okay, Sheena, explain your answer. Why eat a beetle?
I can eat it if it's dead. If it's dead or alive, so I'd rather eat a beetle.
Okay, later ha. We prepared something for you. Charot.
Bakit hot ka ba?
Bakit?
Bakit hindi?
Kuya Aki, bakit ka ba? Bakit hot ka ba?
Bakit?
Bakit hindi din?
May knock-knock ako. Knock-knock. Who's there? Tumblr!
Tumblr who?
It's going down. I'm yelling Tumblr! Pinaghandaan niyo po yung 1 year.
Pasensyahan niyo na po.
1 year po yun. Para sa knock-knock. Wala. Anong knock-knock ako?
Knock knock. Who's there? Tumblr. Tumblr who? Tumblr. Faces.
Hey!
Mag-split kami ni Joanna.
Yan! The visuals. Oh my God!
take a minute, gotta catch my breath. I don't care about this list. Yeah, for your death. I got no time for nothing else. I got beauty, got strength, I'm the beast of my bed. Hey,
Now it's my time to Crystal with
Wish.
Una muna kay Bebe. Balik mo naman.
Okay. Dear Benny, I just want to say
8 wishes pala to.
I just want to say Naging accent. I love you. I wouldn't survive any day without you. I wish lang. I wish that we will stay stronger and truer to ourselves because I feel like recently we've been parting ways.
Kinabahan yun sila.
I'm just kidding. Uy, may mga gumagawa kasi sa TikTok yung ano. Pinapatay ito. Uy! Kita ko yung may pumapatay sa akin na. Kaya nga! Mag-edit din ako. Mas marami akong followers. Mas marami makakakita nun.
Buhay siya ngayon, guys!
Boy ako!
Meron din si Manoy. Narisinipis ka, te.
Guys, what would you like to say to people who's killing you?
Oh, no.
Okay, next na.
Wala akong masabi na sabi mo na, ano,
To stand to speak. Oh, ako naman para sa ating lahat. Oh, I wish.
I said,
Dalawa mic mo. Oh, my wish for Beanie ay good health, more years to come.
More
years. 20 years pa and more blooms and more projects, more endorsements, more Beanie Day. We love you all. Oh, that's it.
no. Ako, more aral to come.
More magsubscribe sa...
More mag-subscribe sa aming website para more
Alam niyo po yun?
more
Same. Ano? Ako, hopefully, sana makaano tayo, makabag tayo mga international awards. Yeah, and then we get to go to more international stages, perform there. Sana makapag-Coachella para makaano kami, maka-shout kami ng Coachella mag-ingay. Yan.
message lang lahat.
May sinasabi si Jo. Ang dami mo daw sinasabi. Sabi! Ano daw? Wait lang. Guys, wait na po, nire-rescue namin. Wait, tara. Over and hold muna.
4, 3, 2, 1. Ay, nakita.
Ano daw? Wait lang. Guys, wait na po, nire-rescue namin. Wait, tara.
Gusto po namin paulit-ulit, pero maraming salamat po sa lahat po na nagpunta ngayon. Hindi nyo alam kung gaano nyo po kami napasaya. Itong mga nakaraang araw, hindi siya madali for us kasi medyo, ano ba yun? Hindi madali yung nagiging preparation namin for our concert kasabay ng mga guestings and shows namin. Pero grabe, parang nawala yung pagod namin tonight. Maraming salamat po. Hindi lang namin in-expect na mangyayari to. Itong anong meron tayo ngayon sa loob lang ng 3 taon. So, maraming salamat po. Mas naiiyak ako kasi nakikita ko yung mga boses natin sa araw. Kung alam nyo lang yung pinaglaban nila for us, guys. Nung dumaan yung shutdown and pandemic, sino ba naman kami para i-stay ng management, diba? Pero pinili nilang maniwala and magtiwala sa amin. So maraming salamat po. To ABS-CBN, maraming salamat po. Sana mas dumami pa tayo and panatilihin natin tong healthy environment natin, guys. Let's avoid negativity. Let's avoid comparison. Let's keep this empowered world for all. Yun po.